I've never felt this way before.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Samira. Nice to meet you. I hope you enjoyed this video and never want to become a part of this amazing family. Anyways, today's video is going to be about how I achieved this sleek ponytail with my 4C natural hair. With the current world situation, it's getting harder and harder to go outside or even to think of doing your hair. So today I figured I should come around and show you guys how I achieved this sleek ponytail. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. Things we need for this video: you need calipo, very necessary. Just kidding. You need styling gel, preferably the Eco styling gel. You need water. You need some hair clips, and of course some bobby pins. Okay, so first things first, I'm just gonna add water. Maybe making up before I do this wasn't a good idea. I add water to make sure it's easy to manage. I'm just gonna try and put all these into a ponytail. Now, first of all, when you decide to do your own hair, be prepared, be ready, okay? Embrace it. Be ready to do some exercise with your arms because it hurts sometimes, like my husband. The hair behind is usually very short, so we have to come up with tricks to make it work, okay? Do not hold it too tight because I don't know about you guys, but my hair aches easily, and if it's too tight, you might prevent circulation in your head. So please be careful. Do not hold it too tight. I don't want anyone to come and say, "Here, me do it." I didn't like do it. I did not. Okay. See that? Okay. So if your hair is longer, the right thing to do would be to braid this particular hair that is left here. I don't know how to do that. I know how to braid hair, but my hair is not long enough and it's kind of thick and hard to manage. But I'm going to try. Okay, work with me. Not today. Satan. Determination. That's a good thing. Come on. You can do it. Almost there. No. Yay! We did it. So another ingredient I forgot to show you guys is the got to be gel. I'll be using that one as well. There are so many controversies around these things. Some people say no, it's not good for the hair and all that, but I don't mind. I use it for my ponytail, especially when I want it to lie down very flat. I feel like this was actually made for hair, so all the "it's not good for hair" thing doesn't actually make sense. But if you don't like it, do you, okay? You can use this instead, but I use both. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and then use the styling gel. Remember how I added water? Unfortunately, I didn't put a lot of water because I was afraid that my hair would shrink. But water is your friend. Putting moisture in the hair before you do this helps so that you don't use too much product, and it also helps the styling gel to help the hair to lie down flat. Does it make sense? I hope it does, because in my head I said something very sensible. So if it doesn't make sense, that's not on me. You just didn't get what I meant. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm just going to use this brush, this kind of brush. If you have some, you're good to go. You see the difference? No. Okay, this braid was actually a disaster. I thought I did something, but nope. I can't wait till my hair grows. So last year, absolutely no one asked me, no one sent me. I woke up one day and then decided to cut my hair. Do I regret it? Sometimes. Was it fun? Absolutely. I feel like every lady should cut her hair at least once in a lifetime. Will I do it again? Maybe. Okay. You see? So for most people, this is it. Most people just have to continue and out the bangles. But in the spirit of being extra, in the spirit of making sure this lasts, I'll go with this first. Just rub it on top. I'm gonna try and pin this down. We're not doing any ponytail, we're doing a sleek ponytail with natural hair. And I mean, it's different when your hair is relaxed. Like if your hair is relaxed, usually the probability that it will just lie flat is very high. You can scarf it and wait for like 10 minutes. Usually I scarf it and continue with what I'm doing, but today I have all the time in the world. Okay, it's Corona season. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm just gonna scarf it. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Okay, I'm just looking. Okay, now we wait for 10 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm just gonna take this off right now. I don't think it's still not dry yet, but at least it's a bit laid down. So I got these bundles from HTGH. I got 4 bundles for like $20, which is like 120 Ghana cedis. Like you can take a pin, push it like this, and then pin it inside your head and wrap it. So basically all I did was just pin that part down, and as you can see, it already looks like I did something. So you just take this one and then you wrap it around the hair like this from under. Okay, so after that you just take this and then you wrap it. Maybe you can see what I'm doing. Just wrap it around. Okay, and do not forget, while you do this, you have to keep straightening the hair. If not, you end up with a tangled mess, to be honest. Like if you keep wrapping it, most of the time, this knot actually shows through when you're done. So what you can do is that you can take the hair and then like lift it above like the bump, the whatever. When you lift it above the hair, you pin it down again. Once you do that, you just go ahead and start wrapping again. In as much as it's important for this to be secure, do not tighten it too much. Okay. So when you get to this part, oh god, I know I look like a mess. Don't worry, we'll solve it. We'll fix it very soon. So when you get to this part, you can either use one of these to wrap it around, or you can just use a pin. Now I intend to add more bundles, so I'll be using a pin for now. Beauty's pin. Okay guys, so you see that? Tell me. Okay, tell me you don't see it. Just tell me that you don't. Okay, so do you see that even though, let me show you guys. You see that even though it is not a lot, you don't see my hair itself. That's because of the covering we did earlier on. So I need this to be a bit fuller, so I'm going to add another one at least. This time, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I have to stand. I cannot do this again. My arms hurt. I'm gonna stand up. Okay, so just like we did the first one, this time without a pin, you're just going to take it like this, wrap it around, wrap it like your life depends on it. Beauty is pain and beauty in everything. Okay, so for any of you who might be wondering why I stood up, do you see how fast I did it when I stood up? It's just, I feel like when you stand up, it's just so easy to wrap. You can go ahead and leave it at this point, but see with the last one that is left, the last one to wrap around the whole thing. Make sure it's not too tight. Okay, first things first. Okay guys, so once we are done with this, so now I'm going to take a small section from the back like this and then just wrap it around. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. I'm actually very impressed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share, a like, but most importantly, subscribe. You guys, I cannot emphasize on this enough. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Feel free to follow me on other social media pages. I'll link them below. And if you have anything you want me to do next, let me know, okay? I got you. I'll do it. So until next time, bye.